Hello there, how you doing today? My name is Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture, and thanks for joining us. In this video we will show you how to replace the cylinder in your Steelcase Amia chair. Let's go. Alright, so what we want to do is gently lay the chair on its back on the floor. So we're just going to go like so, lay it down there for you. So what we want to remove is this cylinder here from the chair base. So we're going to grab our trusty pipe wrench. Get a nice solid grip on the cylinder, as close as we can to the seat without touching it. Make sure you get a nice grip on it, like so. All right, so now we're gonna just wrench it off. We're gonna give it a good twist, anchor the other arm on the chair, and it can be a little tough. Don't be scared, it'll come out. Readjust. Like so, and keep spinning the cylinder. It's just a friction fit. We're not threading it out. It should come right out. Like so. All right, now that we've got that out, we want to remove the cylinder from the bottom of the base. We're going to flip it over. Grab our trusty claw hammer, a couple whacks on the bottom of the cylinder, watch your toes. Like so. All right, we'll get that out of the way. We'll grab our new cylinder. We'll insert that into the chair first, like so. Next, we'll grab the base. Insert it onto the cylinder, nice and sturdy. Let's go ahead and flip her on over. Let's come around to the back. Your cylinder is now replaced. So there you have it, guys. That's how you replace the cylinder in your Steelcase Amia chair. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. Please like and subscribe our channel. Have a wonderful day. That was good until the end. That was good until the end. I don't know where I'm getting paid from.
I don't know. It's
Facebook page, yeah. That's what it is. That's it. Channel. Right? Get a sign that says channel.
Chanel.
Chanel, yeah. Like and subscribe our Chanel. Channel.
Okay.
All right.